What's going on, my friends? It's your friend Jack here, and today we're going to be taking a look at some awesome Cardano news in terms of development side of things. Alonzo Blue testnet has been completely rolled out, and the first smart contract was actually ran on the testnet either today or yesterday, very recently, and this is huge news for Cardano going forward. I wanted to share this on the channel as well as just go over some general Cardano news. If you guys want to check out the video for yourself, it is right here, their development update. They also talk about basically the Plutus Pioneer program, the smart contract programming language, being more developed and more people coming in, and they just got through their first round of Hello Worlds and people actually starting to use the platform, which is really good for further development of smart contracts. If you want to check out the full 9-minute video from the developers at IOHK, people who work on Cardano, you can go ahead and do so. I'll leave a link down in the description. Now, in terms of Cardano price and where we're at in the market right now, it is looking a bit fearful. When we do look at all cryptocurrencies, every altcoin is down quite a bit, following Bitcoin's downtrend to 36,000. It did break 37,000, but it did not hold that for very long. There is kind of an incoming death cross that is possible, and this happens when the 50-day moving average moves below the 200-day moving average for Bitcoin, and this death cross does cause a significant downtrend in this case, which could be a 50% drop or more, which obviously would affect altcoins a lot. But other than that, I just want to let you guys know and be aware of this possibility that we do crash quite hard and we could go bear, we could rise back up. It's really hard to tell. I don't think anyone really knows the direct answer. So many things have happened this year in crypto, it's really hard to tell. But either way, Cardano is looking pretty strong. Even at 149, there's still lots of supports here it would have to break through. Of course, if Bitcoin were to tank and hit that death cross, Cardano is probably going to go with it, as with the rest of the crypto markets. But in terms of stability and how things are looking, we have lots of support here in previous weeks and months coming from Cardano around the $1.30 mark, which is pretty good. And a couple more pieces of Cardano news or Cardano bullish sentiments is going to be, Crypto Capital Venture. Love this guy, great YouTuber, just tweeting about how do we get this high in the charts. Looking at the daily chart, we are just so up and up and up, and it's crazy to see how far the Cardano, has came in terms of price in the last year, with the rest of the crypto markets also rising. One more thing to mention is I did cover a video on the El Salvador adopting Bitcoin as legal tender, and this is really great news. Not knocking this down at all, but this tweet is also important to remember that the adoption of Cardano in Ethiopia by the government is also very, very beneficial. I don't know if it's more beneficial, I don't know if it's less beneficial, but it is still very important to remember that Cardano did sign a deal with the Ethiopian government, a huge deal to actually bring Cardano into their government, into their systems to help, use the blockchain technology to their advantage. And now this person is trashing on Bitcoin. It's a volatile asset with expensive fees. Yes, it's true, but it is the leader in the market, and I can't bash that. And also, Cardano is used in Ethiopia to solve a specific problem. This is also true. Just pointing this out, putting this tweet here, because I do think it's important to remember Cardano has done a lot of things and made a lot of deals already, even without smart contracts being fully released. But the main point of this video was that smart contracts have been, released, or the first one, has been tested on testnet. Alonzo Blue is going pretty swellingly, and we could see it rolled out as early as August this year. Alright, and I was just, on Twitter, refreshed, and I did see this tweet from Alexandra Huck, a huge Cardano enthusiast. Lots of good tweets, but the team has successfully delivered the first smart contract on Cardano. This is what we're talking about in this video on the Alonzo testnet for Alonzo Blue. And NBC News calls Cardano the most significant proof-of-stake crypto on the market. Nasdaq wrote an article, be part of the historic crypto movement with Cardano. Very bullish things. Obviously, Twitter is full of bullish people and negative people, but if you guys do want to see more, you can follow me on Twitter at Jack Ingram, spelled like that. It's going to be linked down in the description. I do retweet, post funny memes, all types of stuff, mainly Cardano related, because that is the project that I'm the most interested in. But also something to keep in mind here, the fear and greed index for Bitcoin, which also kind of puts some market sentiment to the rest of the market, is going to be towards extreme fear still. And you know the saying, be greedy when others are fearful, be fearful when others are greedy. Is this a time to grab up some more and discount Bitcoin, or is it going to crash? Who really knows? But always be careful. I would never put in more money than you're willing to lose. And even though I lately have been tempted to do so, just because I see Cardano as such a good opportunity to not only be a part of something huge, but also, you know, the risk doesn't seem so big anymore the more bullish I become on it day by day. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to check out my other videos, go ahead and do so. Got some awesome Cardano content in the Cardano playlist linked on the screen at the end of this video and in the description. And also I do cover all tons of crypto news, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell if you want more of that. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your Cardano crypto friend Jack. Peace out.